Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Dr. Cara. I'm the director for the Arizona Department of Health Services, and we're very excited that you're here for our unveiling today. We're going to invite a couple of our guests, our talent, up to the stage. Phoenix Mercury coach Sandy Brondello. And Arizona Diamondbacks legend Luis Gonzo Gonzales. So thank you all for coming today to help us celebrate Quit to Win Week and to see the debut of our new public service announcement called Coaches on Coaching. The campaign encourages people all across Arizona to quit smoking by calling our Arizona Smokers Helpline, which we call the ASHLine. So before we show you the new campaign, we want to recognize a few special guests that we didn't get to recognize. We have Maria, Michelle, and Enrique, who are actual real ASHLine coaches. So when you call, these are just a few of the coaches that you'll get to talk to. They are experts and professionals in the field, and you'll always get professional, personalized coaching when you call the ASHLine. An exciting thing is that Governor Ducey has proclaimed this week as Quit to Win Week in Arizona, and we have more than 25 partners from community organizations and private businesses participating in Quit to Win Week. Each has committed to help the people they serve quit smoking. So thank you so much to all of our partners and stakeholders who are working to improve the overall health of our communities. We want to thank Phoenix Mercury head coach Sandy Brondello and Arizona Diamondbacks Luis Gonzo Gonzales for joining us today. Several of the top coaches in Arizona volunteered and donated their time to be part of the Coaches on Coaching campaign, and we couldn't thank them more for doing that. Because we all know that quitting smoking is tough. It's one of the toughest things that someone is going to be faced with. And the process is very stressful and can be overwhelming and intimidating. But having one of our coaches on your side can more than double your chances at successfully quitting smoking. And that's what our coaches do every single day. They are professionals that will answer questions, develop personalized coach plans, and work with them on a day-to-day basis. The partnership with our sports community was a natural fit because we have coaches, they have coaches, and both reach out to help people accomplish their goal. So Coach Brondello knows firsthand about working hard to help people achieve their goals. In 2014, she led the Phoenix Mercury to a WNBA championship. So we're now going to hear from her about why she feels so strongly about being a part of our campaign. Coach Brondello?
Thank you, Dr. Crost, for that introduction. And I'd like to thank the Arizona Department of Health also for inviting the Phoenix Mercury and the Sun to participate in such an important initiative for our state. Coach Watson obviously cannot be here today. He's on the road with the Suns and hopefully getting a few more wins for us. Our organisation is not only committed to winning, but it's also about bringing pride to our state. But we're also devoted to doing our part to help our fans and help the people of our state. The Mercury and the Suns have done many things in the past with our games. The Mercury, if anyone has been to a Mercury game, we promote breast cancer awareness nights, and we're all about promoting health and fitness in the elementary school children. A lot of our players are always out participating in a lot of different companies and trying to help the people of Arizona. When I was first approached to participate in this public service campaign to help people quit smoking, I jumped at the opportunity. I was honoured to hear that my approach to coaching helped inspire people to try and achieve their health goals. As a coach, I know that nobody can accomplish their goals on their own. My background is actually as a professional basketball player before I became a coach. And, I achieved a lot in that time, and I couldn't have done it without the coaches that I had all throughout my career. So I understand how important they are to help us achieve our dreams. It's not just, coaches bring not just time, commitment, but they're dedicated to helping us to be the best that we can. And that is what these ASHLine coaches are about. So I was very honoured to be a part of this campaign. I understand that, trying to quit smoking is not easy. It is very difficult. It is an addiction. And it's great, this ASHLine, this campaign we have professional people, as we see here today, who are dedicated to helping bring success and helping people to try and quit smoking. I have never smoked, but I have been touched by friends of mine whose parents have smoked and some who have died from smoking. So I think this is a great initiative for our state. I think it's important that we have coaches in place who are dedicating and helping us to help quit smoking. It's not an easy process. I think we all have some kind of addiction, but this is one of the hardest. And it's one of the hardest that actually, brings a lot of death with cancer in the whole world. So I think this is a great initiative that we're a part of. And I think the ASHLines, obviously, Dr. Christ spoke about, they are professionals. And I believe many of them have actually been through the same process. So they have experience in helping people fight this addiction. Lastly, just on behalf of myself and Coach Watson and the Phoenix organisation, we'd just like to thank you for involving us in this great initiative, and hopefully helping us play a small part in helping people achieve their health goals. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Coach Brondello, for being here today and being an inspiration to people who want to quit smoking. Luis Gonzo Gonzales is someone who knows how to face immense pressure and come out on top. In 2001, when facing elimination in the 9th inning, he made the hit that brought a World Series championship to Arizona. He's here today to share his story about why helping people to quit smoking is a cause close to his heart. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me, Dr. Christ. I wish I could have that Australian accent. That's pretty cool. Thank you to the Arizona Department of Health Services for having us here today and your dedication to help people quit smoking. And thank you to all the organizations, the businesses, and individuals who are raising awareness about the dangers of tobacco. The Arizona Diamondbacks have always been committed to giving back to our community, especially when it comes to the health of everyone in Arizona. The Diamondbacks Foundation has raised millions of dollars to support causes including the Southwest Autism Research and Resource Center, Boys and Girls Clubs of Metropolitan Phoenix, and school-based programs that promote healthy choices for students. One great example is school gardens. The Diamondbacks have been committed to educating fans about the dangers of health effects of smoking and are equally supportive of programs designed to help people quit. Major League Baseball has done so much in the past years of dedicating themselves not only with smoking, but all the tobacco use of dipping and chewing and things like that. So we're trying to come full circle now and get rid of that, not only in the major leagues, but in the minor leagues also. And this is an issue that's pretty close to my heart. I lost my father and grandfather to lung cancer at pretty early ages because of smoking. They were heavy smokers in our family, and I grew up seeing the film on the front windshield of our car when we were driving, and to this day when I see people smoking, I cringe because I just think it's nasty. And I'm so thankful that we have people that work the ASHLine now, and I wish that would have been around many years ago when my grandparents and my dad was around, so maybe they would have been able to get that help and reach out when they needed it. I know as a young kid you could tell your parents and grandparents to quit smoking and to stop doing that, but once you're committed to it, it's very hard to break that chain. And that's what we're trying to do here in Arizona. Smoking is a tough habit to break, so what I would say to anyone who wants to quit, don't be afraid to ask for help. from one of the ASHLine coaches who are here today, and don't ever give up. You could stumble along the way. When that doesn't mean you failed. You keep moving forward. You will accomplish your goals. And when you do, you'll live a long, healthy, happy life with family and friends. I'd like to say thank you from the entire Diamondbacks organization and family for asking us to be a part of this important program today to help people quit smoking. Thank you.
Thank you for sharing your story with us today and your dedication to helping your fellow Arizonans. A core function of public health is the prevention of diseases, and our goal is to help Arizonans make smart choices about their health so they will live longer, healthier, and more productive lives. The dangers of smoking are well known to everyone. Smoking has several negative impacts on your health, including increasing your risk of respiratory diseases, heart disease, and cancer. Helping people to quit tobacco is one of our top priorities at the Arizona Department of Health Services. Our goal is to make Arizona the best state in the nation for having the least number of smokers, and we are actually well on our way. I'm happy to report that this year, new data was released that shows the smoking prevalence in Arizona dropped from 19% in 2011 to 14% in 2015. That represents over 200,000 people who have stopped smoking for good in the last 5 years. The people who have quit now have healthier heart, healthier lungs, and have reduced their risk of serious health complications that can be caused by smoking. As happy as we are about the progress we made, we still know that there's a lot more to do. The good news for people in Arizona is that we have a local quit line that people can call for those who want to quit for good. For more than 20 years, the ASHLine has been there to coach and support people who want to quit smoking. The coaches are dedicated to helping them quit, and many of them know how hard the journey can be because they've actually taken that journey themselves. Many of them are former smokers, so when they're coaching, it's not only that they understand, but they have compassion. We know that it's one of the hardest addictions to beat when you're a smoker, but it's not impossible. And quitting is a very personal experience, and the same process does not work for everybody. People need an individualized plan. So our coaches will help you do that, to develop an individualized plan to quit smoking. And by getting support from an ASHLine coach, you'll double your chances of quitting successfully. In addition to coaching, the ASHLine can offer up to 4 weeks of free nicotine replacement therapy, such as the gum or the patch, which is also going to increase your chances for successfully quitting. So we encourage anyone who wants to quit to call the ASHLine. It's free at 1-800-5566-222, or you can go online to ashline.org. So today we're very excited. We're going to debut our new campaign called Coaches on Coaching to hopefully encourage people to make the decision to quit and to call the ASHLine. So we're also very excited that the professional coaches from our top Arizona sports teams have volunteered their time to help us with this important message. Our new PSAs feature coaches from the Phoenix Mercury, the Phoenix Suns, the Arizona Diamondbacks, the Arizona Coyotes, Arizona State University football team, the Arizona United, the Arizona Coyotes, and the University of Arizona basketball team. So you can see we've gotten almost everybody. Coaches on Coaching is a seamless public-private partnership with one goal, to help everyone in our state live healthy lives. So with that, I present the Coaches on Coaching TV PSAs.
The number one thing that a good coach does is he shows his players he cares about them. If players know you love them, they'll run through a wall for you.
Sometimes it's hard for us to overcome obstacles, and that's what a great coach is there for.
Good coaching is everything, especially when you're quitting tobacco. ASHLine coaches will help you develop a plan which can double your chances for success. Give us a call for free, 1-800-5566-222, or visit us at ashline.org/help-you-quit.
Step by step, you can do this thing.
I'd smoke all my cigarettes to try to get as sick as I could so I could quit the next day.
I would quit, but never for more than a couple weeks at a time.
I caught my dash mat on fire and I still had to have a cigarette.
ASHLine Quit Coaches know what you're going through. They've been there, so they know how to help you set goals and make a plan that works on your terms.
Each cigarette I smoked has given me something to teach you.
Double your chances of quitting. Call us at 1-800-5566-222 today.
A good coach creates a family environment. A good coach understands when to push, when to pull, when to hug.
Good coaching is everything, especially when quitting tobacco. ASHLine coaches can help you create individualized plans that can double your chances for success for free. Call us at 1-800-5566-222 or visit ashline.org/help-you-quit.
This is one time when you win by quitting.
I think it's important that people recognize that there are people out there that are willing to help. Just understand that there are going to be times that you're going to fail. Just don't give up.
Good coaching is everything, especially when quitting tobacco. ASHLine coaches can help you create individualized plans that can double your chances for success for free. Call us at 1-800-5566-222 or visit ashline.org/help-you-quit.
The help is there. You just have to go get it.
A good coach earns respect. A good coach earns trust. A good coach shows he cares. A great coach puts all three of those together.
Good coaching is everything, especially when quitting tobacco. ASHLine coaches can help you create individualized plans that can double your chances for success for free. Call us at 1-800-5566-222 or visit ashline.org/help-you-quit.
This is one time where I love a good quitter.
There are 1,000 reasons people want to quit smoking, but the most important one is that you want to do it.
Each client who calls has a different story, so there's no one size fits all.
You can call me, you can text me, you can email me.
When you're ready to quit smoking, your ASHLine coach will help you set goals and make a plan that works on your terms. That's how we double your chances of quitting tobacco for good.
You can trust us with your quit. You can trust us with your journey.
Call 800-5566-222 or visit ashline.org/yourquit.
So hopefully that will inspire a lot of people to decide to be quitters. This concludes the news conference. I want to again thank everyone who attended today, Coach Brondello, Gonzo, our ASHLine coaches, our partners, and all the teams that are participating in the initiative. After our group photo, we'll have a group photo up on this stage. We will be available for media interviews if anyone is interested. And so we want to thank everybody and for all our partners for donating their time, their talent, and the facilities for today. So thank you very much.